So this is a makeup pouch that I will put inside the vanity. A makeup pouch inside a makeup pouch. Pouch inception. Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So I wanted to share with you guys today a very intentional unboxing. So I have gotten my first real designer bag from Saint Laurent, and I'm really excited because this purchase is very intentional. I've been doing a lot of research on this bag for a couple months, and they actually don't have this colorway back in Canada, so I'm really excited that I was able to get this colorway here. So yeah, if you are curious what this intentional purchase is, come do an unboxing with me. You guys already saw the title. This is the Gabby Vanity. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo! I did a little bit of luxury shopping and I pulled the trigger on a bag that I've been eyeing for a period of time, and I actually got for $1,000 cheaper here, especially because Canadian is not as strong of a currency as American when it comes to converting into euro. So this was such a good price. I would have paid $3,000 if I had bought this back home. I got it for a little under $2,000, so I am super excited. And so this is a really special purchase, and I wanted to share this with you guys because you guys are my Cobra babies. So yeah, let's unbox it. I obviously had to put it all back together again, but yeah. Oh, so freaking cute. This huge bag is huge. Let's unbox it together. The tissue paper was very nicely wrapped, and I suck at wrapping it, so I was like, I'm not even gonna try. So there is the authentication card. The newer bags from Saint Laurent have a chip in it, so I would imagine since this is a newer series, it will also have a chip for authentication, so that is fantastic. So let's take that out. There was the beautiful tissue paper. The service was so amazing. They opened the tissue doing that, and oh. And she is the Gabby. It's the Gabby Vanity. This is what she looks like. I did put the cutest little twilly on the top to help protect the oil where I hold the bag. I haven't even taken the thing off. So this is a Monoprix little twilly, and it's very adorable, very cute. The print is very French. There's little bicycles and little horses. So little people. It's a person riding a horse, ice skating. There's another one riding a bike. It's very sweet. It's very cute, and I loved the color. I wanted a very low-key twilly, so this is a white twilly on a white bag. I just feel like chef's kiss. That's a very minimalistic thing. I'm gonna cut the tag off when I get downstairs to the lobby. That's what she looks like. It's the toiletry, a vanity, but it's actually in a bag form, and it's so precious. This is in the YSL cream colorway. I think it's the white, the vintage white. The colorway is vintage white. It is very icy, almost a little bit of a gray tone, which I think is good because I was talking with She's French, and she was like, white is a very dangerous color, especially with lambskin. This one is lambskin. White does have a lot of color transference, so because this is a much paler tone, I'm a little less worried about that. The vintage white, which has a slight gray cast to it, which is nice because I like cool tones. I don't like when it's super warm. So that is what she looks like, and let's open this up. I love the size. She's quite mini actually. I don't know if you can see how small it actually is. So here's a makeup pouch, a very tiny makeup pouch, just a similar size. So this one is a vanity. This is the Gabby Vanity in the quilted. I did the phone test at the store, and it fits up to 3 phones. So I was like, thank God, because I do have a large phone. I have I have the Xiaomi Pro Plus, so I needed to have space. That is what it looks like. It has a little card holder slot here at the back, and then you can just put your phone in. So she is brand new. I still have the stickers on. I haven't taken off the stickers. I did attach the straps, and yeah, the drop on this is perfect for anyone who's curious about this bag. So I don't know the exact dimensions, but I'm 5'3", and it sits perfectly right at my hip, which is fantastic. I was so sold on the length because if you're paying this much for a bag, I don't want to go get another strap. I want to be able to use the strap that it comes with. Strap is perfect because I am not tall, and the drop is perfection. It's chef's kiss, because I was well, I am still gonna buy her a little cute little chain from Amazon for $8. So I do have planned for that, but I love the strap length. It's just perfect. Love the material. It's so soft. Like this lambskin is so nice. If you're wondering why I did not get it in like the black, because I think that YSL is more commonly known for its like black colorway. My clothing style is a very like white, very light color base. So for me, I would rather get something that fits my lifestyle instead of me trying to fit it. Like I do have some of my earlier YSL stuff is in black, but I don't like black. So I realized that moving forward, I want things to match my color palette. So because of that, I ended up getting in white. So this can hold up to like 3 phones, which is good, because I didn't want something where it's like it will just fit your phone and maybe like a lip gloss and that's it, like won't fit your keys or anything like that. And I was like, I don't want that. I still want a practical bag. I still need it to operate like a bag. I didn't want something that's like, she's cute, but like it doesn't actually do anything. That defeats the whole purpose. There is just one card holder at the back, so you could definitely like put in one card, like your like Visa if you wanted, and then you can put your phone in. I watched a lot of reviews and a lot of people were saying that like with these vanity casing, it's really tricky and annoying to like open and close the zippers, which I feel like I definitely agree with. But I think that I like that it closes. I was debating between getting this and the toy shopping, and the toy shopping would have been the better buy in that sense, where it's like it's just open at the top. It's like a pouchy. It's like the right size and everything, better price. But I was like, that's not why I'm buying these. Like I have a lot of pouchy looking type of bags. Like I have the Goyard and Ju, and like that's a very similar vibe. So like why would I don't like having duplicates or as much of a avoidance of duplicates. I wanted something that was like, I was like, you know what? Like, I was like, let's just go middle of the road. Like, let's go up. Let's go tier. Like, I didn't want a starter bag, so I ended up just going for what I wanted. I was like, I'm on holiday in Paris. Let's just get what I want. So I ended up getting this. And even though the zippers are a little bit like, the zipper's smooth. Like, this is actually not a zipper issue, but like that whole like zipping instead of it just being like an open pouch and just dropping your stuff inside, to me is not an issue. Am I in such a rush that I need to like throw stuff in? Like, if I do, then like I'll just use the Goyard. Like, who cares? So this is a makeup pouch that I will put inside the vanity. A makeup pouch inside a makeup pouch. Pouch inception. That's what it looks like. I would put my phone and I would show you guys that, but my phone is away and like I've packed, but you'll just have to take my word for it. I don't know, would this fit? This is the iPad mini. So it's not gonna fit your iPad mini, but I mean, I don't think that was the function of these in the first place. Oh my gosh. And the experience at Saint Laurent was so good. I went to like a bunch of different stores, like shopping around, kind of like figuring out what I wanted to like pull the trigger on. I went to Chanel, I went to Hermes, I went to a bunch of Saint Laurents. What else did I do? You know, it's funny, it was between this or a Louis Vuitton, and when I went to get in line, they're like, sir, or like, sir, like, ma'am. Well, actually they were like, sir, because Will was with me. It's like, you can't enter through here. And I was like, I'm a paying customer. And that kind of like put me off, so I didn't actually end up going into Louis Vuitton in France, which I think is such a pity, because like it's France, like that's like it's like one of the main staples, and like I didn't end up going into that. I did spend a lot of time at Chanel. I spent an hour in Chanel because like one of the workers, he went to go grab another bag, and it was like okay. I actually had bought, like I still have like the little tabs on it with the little stickers. I had bought one, and the strap hole on one of the last ones was extremely like worn out. The hole was like really stretched, so I didn't know if it was a return or not, and I felt really bad because I was like, I'm buying something that's like kind of like, you know, pricey. It is not like a everyday kind of purchase, and I was like, it's already like pretty beat up. So I went back and I was like, do you guys have like a new one? And they were so nice. There was a new one, and it was at the Printemps. So the worker literally ran out like in 10 minutes. He ran down the street to get the other one and bring it back. I mean, I'd already paid for it, so I understand they didn't want to lose the commission, didn't want to lose the sale, but like, I don't know, I was really impressed. Like, Hermes could never. You guys know that I'm a huge Hermes fan. I was so excited. Like, I even booked for the leather appointment, like kept checking the website, everything, and I decided to like try my luck, just go to the store, see what's good. Or even if they were like obviously nothing's available, to even just kind of go to the store and experience it. The service at Hermes was very like, it was my first time inside of an actual Hermes store. It's the actual flagship, and I was like, I didn't really understand what was the allure behind the way that they like treat you in that store. Like, you're kind of like a piece of shit. Like, I understand that they probably have like a clientele that they cater to, or like it's a sales tactic and stuff like that, but like as somebody who's just like I don't see the appeal in that. Like for me, being able to like buy what you want to buy is like really important. It was really cool that actually the system had my name in it, because like I have bought YSL back home. I didn't know that it was like international. They're like, hey Natalie. I was like, whoa, that's really cool. That kind of like added to the little experience, them calling you by name. Yeah, no one at like Hermes knew my name, so I was like, okay. So that was really cool. I was actually debating whether I should pull the trigger on this bag. I was holding off because like I applied for like the Hermes leather appointment. I also went to the store and I was like, I don't want to buy 2 bags. I don't want to buy this. And then, you know, by some miracle, I get offered like a bag. I wasn't looking for a quota bag, even just like anything, even just like a Constance or like a Picotin. But I didn't have the greatest experience in Hermes. Obviously, I know that's the sales tactic, so I wasn't like shocked. I understood that's how it is, but I just didn't really understand the point. I was like experiencing it firsthand. I was like, why would anyone want to subject themselves to this? Like, this is not fun. I feel like half of the luxury experience is like being treated like a certain kind of way, and it's like you're paying this much and you're not even treated that way. I was like, what is the point? Like, I don't know. So then I just thought maybe I'm just not their ideal client. Like, that doesn't speak to me, you know. Having to jump through all these hoops doesn't speak to me. Like, I want to have like a relaxing experience. Like when I was at like the different YSL stores, they brought me champagne, they brought me water, they were very kind, very nice, super helpful. Like it was just like such a great, pleasant experience. And I was like, I think that that's fantastic. And I did not feel that at Hermes. I felt like, how did I feel? Yeah, I guess because like at the end of the day, these products is how you feel, right? I felt like they didn't want me there, and that made me feel really embarrassed. And I felt like, well, if you don't want me here, no worries, I shall leave. No, I'm just like somebody who feels like I don't want to feel embarrassed in a store. So I was like, okay, then I shall just leave, which is weird because like I finally gotten comfortable with going inside these type of stores. This video is like supposed to be about the bag, and it's like not even a review, and like I'm not even talking about that. I should find another one. This is like all over the... There we go. I am super happy with this. This was like on my wish list item. In Canada, this retails for $2,700. So with after tax, it comes out to $3,000. So this is like a $3,000 bag in Canada. And I was like, that is very pricey. Like, she's obviously not like a starter. It's not a walk. It's not a wallet on chain. She's actually like a more elevated piece. I could have also gotten the puffer for like $3,000, but I don't like that metal. Like, I felt like the metal was too much. Like, I have an Aldo bag that has like a heavy chain, and like walking in the mall, it's like it starts to hurt your shoulders. So I was like, I've learned I don't like those heavy chains. So I also thought about getting a walk, but I'm like, I don't want to struggle to put my phone and then barely a lip gloss will fit. So I was like, this was like a very good middle of the road. The pricing, so then this was in euro 1,650, and then after the VAT it discounted it a little bit, so it came out to, in Canadian, it came out to like 1,800 after the conversion rate, which I think is really nice, because 1,800 is kind of like that 1,000-ish mark. A little under 2,000 makes me really happy, because it's like, I don't think these bags are worth buying for 3,000. I think that that's like I know that's what I'd have to pay if I was going to buy it at home, but I wouldn't pay that at home. So yeah, if you want to buy these luxury bags, I think that Paris is the way to go. I mean, obviously I wouldn't recommend just flying to Paris just for a bag, although that's what I did. Yeah, so that was my unboxing. I think that was so much fun to share with you guys. I suck at these. I don't normally do these, so it's obviously not as like super helpful, but I just wanted to share because this was a big milestone. Luxury shopping in Paris. I'm very grateful. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.